Hey everyone, today in this video I'll show you how to turn on post sharing on Instagram stories. Now it's pretty simple. If you have a post on Instagram that you want to share as a story, you click on this button and you will see an option over here where it says add to story. Now if one of your friends sees a post or a reel of yours and wants to share that as their story, it sometimes isn't possible or there is no access for them to do this. Now how do you turn this on and make sure that post sharing is available for all your followers easily? Now it's very simple. Once you're here in your profile, make sure you go ahead and click on the bottom right corner and click on the top right corner to go into the menu. Once you're in the menu, you can scroll down and see and make sure that the account privacy is set to public. If it is a private account, this will not work. Once you've made sure of this, you can scroll down and see an option where it says sharing and remixes. This is what you want to select. After this, you will see all of these different options. Make sure that the first one, the one which says allow post and reel sharing to stories, make sure this option right here is checked. And once you've made sure of this, the the setting or the feature is now turned on and you can easily allow others to use your content and post them as stories. Yeah, that was pretty much it on how to turn on post sharing on Instagram stories. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.